Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I hope you consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. So for today's video, what we're going to do is my monthly Boxycharm unboxing. I have both my base box and my premium box. But before I get started, I do want to talk about a little change in my videos. So Boxycharm unboxings are everywhere on YouTube. You know, the beauty community barely does not exist anymore. Small, super small channels like myself aren't doing that well, which is fine. I'm having fun just doing videos, and if you watch, I'm very thankful for you watching. But basically, Boxycharm unboxings are probably my lowest viewed, so I'm trying to figure out in what direction my YouTube channel is really going to go, to be honest. But for now, I've decided that I canceled my Boxycharm premium box. I have a lot of changes coming up within my life. I will update you guys as things progress, but basically I don't want to keep spending money if I don't need to. So I haven't canceled it all the way. I am still going to keep my base box. I'm still contemplating. I actually did cancel both, and then maybe a week later I activated my base box. But yeah, I just wanted to make that clear, but I'm not sure that I will have such videos coming up like my Boxycharm unboxing, so this could possibly be my last one, to be honest. But let's go ahead and stop talking because I've talked a lot and I probably make no sense. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up my base box. Here's the card, and this is the variation that I got. Okay, first item here is from Ditto. It is the Venus palette, and it's limited edition. I have never heard of this brand before. So while I open this up, guys, yeah, I just have way too much Boxycharm product. I have so much skincare that I will never go through it. I'm glad that I have daughters that can actually use some of it. Thank God. Makeup wise, eyeshadow palettes, I can't even estimate how many palettes I have. I'm afraid to count. I really am. My weakness is eyeshadow palettes. Okay, this is the palette, and God, I hope I didn't ruin it. Okay. Oh, they're cute. Those are the shades. Let's give it a quick swatch. Brianna, come here. I'll swatch on your arm.
Oh, yippee. I like that one. Moon, is it?
This first one, called Venus, does not show up at all.
It's just like
it's like a glitter. Yeah.
That one is Moon. I like that one.
Okay.
That one's the glittery one. That's Moon.
So this is Mercury. It doesn't show up. Earth is similar to Jupiter. And what's that one? 10. Okay. Look at the texture of that one.
I'm gonna be glittery.
Okay, so then we're gonna do Mars, Phobos, Deimos, Callisto, and two more. Okay, so these are the swatches, you guys. She's my little arm right here, and I'm not really a fan. Doesn't really impress me, but then again, they are swatches, so maybe I'll do a wear test, try them out, and if not, you know, I can recycle it and give it away to a friend. I got some wipes here. Dead Sea Minerals Caviar Makeup Remover Wipes. So this wipe that you're using right now is from Patrick Star.
Yeah,
I got that on
single or the one size.
Okay, so yeah, I got those the one size, and those are like super like wet. Okay, I got the Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. This was actually a choice item from Iconic London. Woo! That reflection. And that is what that looks like. And I got it in the shade medium bronze. And then we got some collagen gel eye pads. So more skincare. Cute box, but it got beat up as you can see. So, and one more. We got the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. So moisturizers I don't mind receiving because I go through moisturizers like crazy. So let me go ahead and give you all the prices now. So the Kate Somerville retail price is $70. The Iconic London Bronzer is $35. The eyeshadow palette from Ditto Cosmetics is $29.99. Amna Skincare, the gel pads, I'm assuming that's how you say it, is $32. And the makeup wipes are $12. So that gives us a total of, yeah. These boxes have not been that great, guys. Okay, let's dig into box number 2, and this is my premium box. This is the card, and that's the variation right there. First thing I see here, I don't know the brand, L+W Bio, and it is a rose quartz vibrating facial massager. So let me open this. This is what that looks like, guys. It's cold. And it's supposed to vibrate, I'm assuming. Yeah, so I need to put some batteries. And it's supposed to vibrate. So actually, this is probably going to be very cool. So I can't wait to give this a try. We got a Bumble and Bumble Surf Styling Leave-In. So one of my first earlier Boxycharm pop-up shops, I actually had hauled this before, and I'm still not done with it because I got a lot of hair care stuff. But this wasn't bad at all. This has UV protection to your hair, which is awesome. Ooh, this is fun. This is from Rouge. I think that's how you say it. And they are like face halos. So they are to remove your makeup. I actually use a lot of these. I use the makeup erasers. I have face halos. So you get 3 of these. Gray one. They all seem to have different textures. And then this black one. So the white one is to remove makeup. The gray one is to apply toners and serums. Wow. And then the black is to wash your face. Very cool. Very cool. So I actually am excited for this. The next item I have here is from Wishful, which is the Huda Beauty like skincare line. And this is the Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. So another moisturizer. And I was actually really eyeing this. But because of how much skincare we receive on Boxycharm, I decided that I wasn't going to get it, and you see why now. I love the component. Very cute lavender color, and that is what that looks like. So not gonna open it quite yet, but I know it will be used. Okay, so I got the Vesca Beauty Stargaze Luminizing Glow. So this is probably a highlighter. I hope you guys don't hear my washer. I'm washing Luna's clothes right now because she had a little explosion. Sorry, TMI. But if you have babies, you know. Very tiny little compact. It's cute though. Nice for traveling. That's the shade. And let me go ahead and give it a swatch. I hope you can see that. There you go, that's better. It's a cute, subtle highlight. It doesn't look like it's super blinding, so if you are into subtle looks, that would be a good one. And then the last item here is from Zoeva, and it is a lipstick. Powerful Twist Lip in the color Cassandra. That's what that looks like. It's like a lip liner. Very, very dark. Oh yeah, that's a dark plummy color. Okay, so let's look at the card and list the prices. So the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer retail price is $49. The Vesca Beauty Highlighting Powder, that is $28. The Bumble and Bumble Leave-In Styling Cream is $30. The Rose Quartz Facial Massager is $79.99. So this is a very pricey item. The Zoeva Lip Twist is $14. And the Rouge Face Discs, that's what they're called, are $24, guys. For a grand total of... And that's it. That is my monthly Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. And I cannot wait to receive my last and final Ipsy box as well. It hasn't shown up yet. Today is the 19th and I'm just waiting for that because that will also be my last subscription box from Ipsy because I also canceled Ipsy. I'm trying to be a little bit more careful with how much I'm spending. It just comes down to one face and I got so much that I will never in a lifetime go through anything I have. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video and I will talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.